Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of Bitcoin trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, we've got some valuable tips and tricks for maximizing your profits. So, grab a pen and paper, because you won't want to miss this. When it comes to Bitcoin trading, having a solid strategy is key. First and foremost, it's important to stay informed about market trends and news. Keeping an eye on factors such as regulatory developments, technological advancements, and macroeconomic trends can help you make more informed trading decisions. Next, let's talk about technical analysis. Utilizing tools such as moving averages, RSI, and MACD can help you identify potential entry and exit points. It's also crucial to set stop-loss orders to manage your risk and protect your capital. Another important aspect of successful Bitcoin trading is having a clear plan. Define your trading goals, risk tolerance, and target profits before entering a trade. Additionally, consider using a trading journal to track your trades and analyze your performance over time. Now, let's discuss the importance of diversification. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, consider spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies and trading strategies. This can help mitigate risk and maximize your potential returns. Lastly, remember that patience and discipline are key virtues in Bitcoin trading. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions, and stick to your trading plan. And always remember to stay updated with the latest market trends and developments. And there you have it. With these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your profits in Bitcoin trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.